Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to download Among Us on your PC. In order to do this, open your PC, click on the start icon and search for Store. Now click on Microsoft Store to open this application. Now go to the Search Apps, Games and Movies section at the top and type in Among Us. Now you will see different games just right here. Click on Among Us, that is the first option, and as you can see, you can click on Play with Game Pass that says Join Now option, and you can also buy this game by clicking on this option. So if you have a Game Pass, click on this option and play Among Us on your PC. If you want to buy it, click on the buy option. After that, you'll be successfully able to play Among Us on your PC. Now if you want to know another way through which you can play Among Us on your PC, for that you'll have to go to Google Chrome, type in download BlueStacks, hit enter. Click on this website that says download BlueStacks. Now click on this download BlueStacks 10 button just right here. After you click on download, this will get downloaded onto your PC. Now navigate to the downloads folder on your PC, select this BlueStacks installer. Now install this application by clicking on the install now button. After you install BlueStacks, you'll be successfully able to log into BlueStacks and search for Among Us under BlueStacks. Click on install. After that, you'll be successfully able to play Among Us on your BlueStacks on your PC. So that's a simple way to download Among Us on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.